Um, we are going to have a quick video about uploading images or files to a wiki page. It's a great example of a Web 2.0 tool creates JPEGs that I would want on a wiki page. So I am going to use this wiki page as an example and to pretend that I've been to Tagxedo. I've watched this video about how to create word clouds in Tagxedo and I've saved them to my desktop. Now I need to get those finished word clouds, those JPEGs, or really any file, any JPEG, into my wiki page. This is a page that I'm going to work with, so I need to edit this wiki page by clicking on the edit button. This changes the wiki from a page. This is how we think about it. It changes it from a web page to a word processing document because now I can edit. I have a cursor and this is my floating toolbar. So these are the tools that I need. Alright, so down here I want to how to publish your student work to your wiki page. I have two images that I want to put on this on my on this wiki page, and I'm just going to use my cursor to make some room. When I'm working with images, I typically I can upload one image at a time, and I will show you that first. So here on my floating toolbar, if I'm going to insert a file, I am going to click on my file button, and the text here says insert images and files. Alright, so then here I can upload files. I can navigate to my app just as you would for any upload or any navigation procedure. I'm going to do this dog word cloud, and I'm going to say choose. When it comes into the wiki, I'm going to see it over here. It'll be the top option, and I have all of these available. I've uploaded these already. I could choose these at any time. So really your wiki does save files that you've uploaded that you can put on other pages. But I just want to work with this one, so I click that, and sure enough, here is the file that I get. And I am going to just say save so we can see where that went, and obviously it went in the wrong spot. So I'm going to take that away in a second, and it's at top of my screen. I really want it underneath, so I'm going to take it away because I'm going to show you if you're uploading multiple images, or if you care about your spacing, or if you want to add text to images in a wiki, we're going to do it a little differently. Alright, I'm going to edit this again, and I am just going to, if I click on it, I get menus. I can remove this file, and we're going to move my cursor down here, and I'm going to take away a little bit of this space, but we're going to put a couple of pictures down here. And the best way to work with pictures, multiple images in a wiki, is really to use your table tab. And a table, I'm just going to create two columns, so two cells, and I'm just going to have let's say maybe three, maybe one row. How about let's do three columns and one row. Alright, so that's going to give me really just three cells. Now it's kind of hard to see. It's a faint outline, but I think you can see how I've got three placeholders there. Doesn't look like much. Again, I'm going to go to my file upload, and I'm going to put one image from a previous demonstration here, and I can make this a little smaller. Right, so my table really is doing a job of a placeholder. I am going to do a second upload, and I'm going to go to my desktop and choose my WHS word cloud, and again that will load, and I can see it that it's going to come into the next cell. All right, and I still have room for one more. So you can kind of see how you can orient. The other cool thing about tables is I have my cursor here and I have an icon. I can manipulate this. So if I want to say this column, I want to add a column in between, I can add it to the right, and then this will kind of give me a little bit of space. I can separate my images so that really I could even say image by, and I could put students' names. So and that really might be a good way to start. Image by or project by, let's see, and then I'm going to do a hyphen or a semicolon, and then I could put in another image here. So if I get my cursor, do you see how I can kind of, or project by, and then I can even move things down a little bit, but it will make my orientation a little nicer. Rather, and my pictures will be organized rather than just kind of underneath each other, and then that will make me scroll down a lot. So I can insert my images multiple ways and organize it nicely. One heads up, we always want to remember not first and last names for wikis. Thanks for listening. I hope you learned a lot listening to this video.